It sounds like a story out of a mystery novel, A Suspicious Death. A large number of dead cows and years of feuding over an inheritance. We want to hear from you. Who should respond if animals are in danger on private land? Scan the QR code on your screen to vote now or go to the abc3340.com. And the I-Team Cynthia Gould takes us to Calhoun County, where there are lots of questions and few answers. We want to warn you, though, that some images may be disturbing to watch.
What is the location of your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. I need somebody from animal control. There is massive dead cows on Lowymore Road.
Horrifying photos, rotting carcasses, bones, dead calves.
How many cows are they?
There's piles of them.
Charles Hitter shared these photos saying he tried to feed and care for the cattle. They belonged to his late brother.
I was mad, hurt, and tore up. I was trying.
These are basically the carcasses that were left.
Yes, ma'am.
Hard to look at, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, it is. And it's real hard. It's not right for animals. That's the head of one.
The cattle at the center of a long-running legal battle in Calhoun County, which started after his brother Bo's unexpected death in 2020. There was no will. Hetter claims he is the rightful heir, but so did his late brother's girlfriend, according to court records. Lisa Hudgens argues she was his common-law wife. The state high court, though, ruled against her. Hudgens' attorney says his client denies any allegations of mistreatment of the cattle, but Hetter claims Hudgens had control over the cows while he was denied access by owners of leased pasture land where the cows were kept.
He told me to get off his property. He was calling the county. And I told him I got a court order. He said he didn't care.
We were unable to reach one of the landowners for comment. Another hung up on us. Hetter says an investigator told him the cows starved to death, suffering from lack of feed, worms, and parasites.
What kind of death is this for a cow? It's not quick.
No, they suffer. You got pictures of them. They lay there and they suffer. Their belly blows out and they just fall over and then they can't get up for 2 weeks. Oh, it makes me mad. Because if that had been somebody's dog or cat, they'd already be in jail.
Hetter says he tried to get someone to step in.
Are you making complaints to law enforcement?
Everybody. Yes, ma'am. I called Humane Society. They said they couldn't do nothing because they were dead. I don't understand that. I called the cops. I called everybody. And they said that they had to wait on a court order for me to get on the property.
This emergency court order to reclaim the cattle granted him access. But by then, he says it was too late for many of the cows. Humane Society manager said they could not find a record of calls. Former Sheriff Matthew Wade initially told us we could look at the case file, then stopped returning calls. Calhoun County DA Lynn Hammonds said to bring abuse or neglect charges, law enforcement would have to bring her a case. We followed Hetter earlier this month as he met with investigators under the new sheriff.
How you doing? Good.
They would not allow us inside, but Hetter says he was told a grand jury heard the case and did not return an indictment on misdemeanor animal cruelty charges, and that the statute of limitations has now run up. Hetter also claims hundreds of thousands of dollars in equipment that should be his is missing, scattered at various locations.
I think I'm going to get screwed, and everybody's just going to get to walk away with whatever they took.
Now, another grand jury could hear the case if there is new evidence of felony crimes. A court hearing is set for late June in the civil case. This story, a very important reminder of why everyone needs a will, especially if you have a lot of assets. Brenda?
All right. Thank you, Cynthia.